Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on Chat GPT. And now let's start right in. Now to enable the dark mode on our Chat GPT, first you will be required to go to the platform. In order to go to Chat GPT, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in chat.openai.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to this page where you'll be first required to sign in to your Chat OpenAI. In order to do that, let's click on login. You can enter your email address over here and continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, but for now I'll be continuing with my Google account. And after logging into your Chat GPT like this, after on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see these menus where it says clear conversation, and the second one is dark mode itself. Click on dark mode like this, and then the Chat GPT will switch to dark mode itself, where you can see. And if you want the light mode, again click on over here which says the light mode, and it will be shifted to light mode. But in order to enable dark mode, let's click it on again. So guys, we have successfully enabled the dark mode on our Chat GPT. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.